For the given problem, I'm given one piece of information and I have to find the other two. Let's begin with factored form. The generic form is a multiplied with x minus b and x minus q. P and q represent the x-intercepts. And here, looking at the graph, we can see that the x-intercepts occur at positive 2 and positive 6. So we're going to replace p with 2 and we're going to replace 6 with q. Doing so, we now have the equation f of x equal to a, x minus 2 multiplied with x minus 6. The only thing left to do is to find the value for a, and for that, we got to choose a point x f of x. If you have the y-intercept, I encourage you to use the y-intercept, and here we do. And the y-intercept is at 0, 6. So x is going to take on the place of 0, and then f of x is going to get replaced with 6. Doing those substitutions, now we can see that my f of x is going to become 6. And my x's are going to get replaced with zeros. So now we get 0 minus 2 and 0 minus 6. And we have to solve for a. On the right hand side, 0 minus 2 is negative 2, 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So we get that 6 is equal to a multiplied with negative 2 and multiplied with negative 6. But then negative 2 times negative 6, that's going to give me 12. So I get 6 equal to 12a. And to solve for a, now I can divide both sides by 12. And I get that a is equal to 6 over 12. 6 over 12 can be reduced into 1/2. I'm going to get the reduced form. And now I can replace my a value for 1/2. So I'm going to go back to this equation and replace a for 1/2. So I get that the function is equal to 1/2 x minus 2, x minus 6. And that is the factored form of the parabola. And now we're going to get the standard form. Given the factored form, we're going to transform this into standard form by first multiplying x minus 2 and x minus 6. And for me to do that, I'm going to utilize this box here. I'm going to get x minus 2, x minus 6, and now I'm going to multiply these. So x times x, that's x squared. X multiplied with negative 6, that's negative 6x. Negative 2 multiplied with x, that's negative 2x. And negative 2 multiplied with negative 6, that's positive 12. Now I'm going to combine the diagonals since these are like terms, and negative 2x minus 6x, that's going to give me a negative 8x. So I have that f of x is going to equal 1/2. And then I'm going to rewrite this multiplication as x squared minus 8x plus 12. I'm putting this in parentheses because each of these values is going to get affected by the 1/2. I'm going to have to distribute the 1/2 to each term, beginning with x squared. 1/2 times x squared, that's going to be 1/2 x squared. Then 1/2 times negative 8, we can divide the 8 by 1. And now we can multiply the numerators. 1 times negative 8 is just negative 8. And then 2 times 1, that's going to give me 2. And then finally, we can do the same thing with the 12 divided by 1. And now we're going to multiply the numerators. 1 times 12 is 12. And then the denominators, 2 times 1 is 2. So we get positive 12 over 2. We're going to finish this problem off by reducing whatever we can. So now I get that the function is going to equal 1/2 x squared minus 4, since 2 divides 8 4 times, and then 2 divides 12 6 times. And this is my standard form.